Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea at home. First, select your favorite tea, whether it's a classic black, a soothing green, or a fragrant herbal blend. The secret to a great cup starts with fresh, cold water, as it significantly impacts the final taste. Remember to heat your water to the ideal temperature for your specific tea type to unlock its full flavor potential. Now, let's talk about steeping. A good rule of thumb is to use 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea for every 8 ounces of water. For a rich, full-bodied black tea, steep it for 3 to 5 minutes. If you're brewing green tea, a shorter steeping time of 1 to 3 minutes is usually perfect to avoid bitterness and bring out its delicate notes. Once your tea has steeped, it's time to make it your own. Feel free to add milk, a touch of honey, or a slice of lemon to suit your taste. If you're using loose leaf tea, always remember to strain it before serving to prevent it from becoming too strong. Finally, pour your perfectly brewed tea into your favorite mug and enjoy. For an even better experience, try preheating your teapot or mug with hot water before brewing. This helps maintain the tea's temperature. Don't be afraid to experiment with various tea blends and brewing methods to discover new favorites. There's a whole world of tea to explore. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including that great sock recommendation and other helpful products.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.